Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to hide display name in Snake.io. If you want to play anonymously or just hide your display name while slithering around in Snake.io, then here is how you can do it. First of all, launch the Snake.io game on your device, whether you are using Android mobile device or tablets, and wait for it to load. From the main home screen, tap on the gear icon at the top left corner. This will open up the several menu on the screen where you want to go ahead and find display name option on the left. Tap the toggle button off or choose off from the display name tab, and this will hide your name completely from your profile. Once you are done, your change will be saved automatically. You can get back to the main home page and your display name will be hidden from others in the game. So that's how you can easily hide your display name so that you can play anonymously on Snake.io. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.